You know, out there's a lot of new developments. You see them all over here, and new developments, so many new developments, so many new projects. And because we have a lot of projects, we have a lot of project agents. You know, agents that are selling for the developer, all these beautiful new units, and we are getting so many questions of these project agents. So today, we're not really talking to the sub-sales agents, but you can still listen, if you want to stick around. Hey, don't walk away. Hey, hello, come back. Yeah, hey, sub-sales agent, just sit down. We're just going to give a little bit more attention to the project agent today. And in the next videos, we will talk more about the sub-sales agent. But today, I just want to give you, let's do 3 tips. Where did my fingers go? Oh, 3 tips of what a project agent should focus on to really become successful in their project sales business. Okay, so here's the thing. As a project sales agent, you have a very minimum time to build relationships because there's a project that is launching and you want to get that sold as quickly as possible. That means you have to go through a lot of people to see if there's a lot of interest. So my first advice is always look at your project that you're selling right now and compare it with every other project around you. And study always very carefully. You need to understand about 3 things. Number 1, what is the real uniqueness about this project? The real uniqueness, like the one thing that makes this project stand out than any other project, because that's the one thing that is going to hit the market first. Then there's always additional USPs. USP stands for unique selling points. Study them as good as possible because those unique selling points are all about what you want to really emphasize when you talk to the clients. And then number 3, you need to find 5 reasons why people should buy. You need to give them reasons, the benefits. I mean, a project has always a lot of features. Has a gym, has a pool, has a view, has a park, has a lake. Those are features. What is the benefit? That means that if people jump into the business, what are the benefits that they will get? Now, remember this. Once you go into the project sales line, it's going to be a fast-paced business and winner takes all. Remember that, winner takes all. Whoever closes the deal first, selects the unit, you are the winner of this deal. So you need to remember that the second tip that I want to give to you is that you need to go all out when it comes to marketing and get in front of as many people as possible. This is really where the number games comes in, right? You need to attract a lot of people, get in front of a lot of people, and talk to every single one of them. It's the volume game. Do not underestimate how much volume you have to go through. Usually in projects we say for every 100 people you talk to, there will be 2 people that you can close a deal. That is an extreme number. For every 100 people that you get in front of you, 2 people you can close a deal. So the more people you can get in front of, the more deals you will be able to close. Do never ever underestimate that number. Now here comes number 3 of the pro tips here at Propcoach when it comes to project sales. You need to realize that every single project always has a certain uniqueness and that not every project fits the requirements of your customer. So when a customer comes in and they like the project but it wasn't really according to their expectations or it was not really what they're looking for, it didn't fit their needs or their wants, do not let go of this client because you will always get an opportunity to present future projects or projects in the neighborhood to them again. The one big mistake that I see is that this one agent is just focusing on one project to this one person. Now listen, at the end of the day, we don't eat the same food. We don't have the same ice cream. We don't even have the same everything, right? People like options. They want to see a variety of things. So if they don't like this, see if you have a second option or a third option, right? So at least you can either refer business or you can do business at another building or at another project. So don't limit yourself to only one piece of inventory. Always look at multiple pieces of inventory so that you can keep building that relationship with that one contact and you can move them around until you find something that is good for them. So those were my 3 pro tips here for project sales agents. If you have more questions that is related to your project business or any other business, please feel free to ask here Propcoach. And if you want to see our free tools in a Propcoach University, you just go to the link shown below and I'll see you there. So where's the exit?